Hi everyone. So today we are going to be going over my ePortfolio that I created in Computers and Instructional Tech class this semester. This video is going to show you how to use this website as well as create your own and how this technological tool can help me in the future when I become a teacher. So starting at my homepage, if you click that right there, it takes you to this page that you're looking at. It has my full name, my licensure that I'm pursuing, and then a little bit about me, and a photo just so people can see what I look like, maybe get a little more familiar with my face. And yeah. And then if I click on this button up here that says Danielson Domains, a drop-down menu will come down and it shows all 6 of the Danielson domains. Once I click on that, it will take you to a page that has all of them with boxes that have arrows that will pop up depending on which domain you want to see. So if I click on Classroom Environment, I can click it and it takes me to that page. And then it has the definition of the domain, description of domain, and then the artifact that you will embed into your portfolio. And that's the same with all of them. If I go on the drop-down menu, click on any of them, it's the same as all of them. And preparation and content knowledge is the one that I'm the most proud of, just because I wrote a lot about how I had to write a 12-page research paper on intellectual disabilities and how it affects students who have intellectual disabilities, how they, the help that they need for classroom experience, and the struggles that they have, and strategies and studies conducted to help them learn and help the teacher teach them well. And a reason why I really love taking this class, and a reason how, in a way that this technological tool can help me in the future, is if my students ever need to create a website, or if I want to create one that they can go onto and look at examples of things, or if it's a project that I assign to them that they need to create a website about the thing we're learning about, or maybe they create a website on like pretending to be another person and put their bibliography in there. Just stuff like that. This can be helpful because it's a great tool to have, especially when they are going into their learning fields, like for high school and college. This can help them. Maybe they go into business, and this can help them create their business's website, or they go into teaching and they can create their e-portfolio on this. And it's also cool because while I was creating this website, I had to look up different ways to embed stuff, and um, what font color and what font size and what font I could use that's easiest to read and sticks out the best, and where I should put each thing that makes it accessible to people who are going to be going on here. All of those things combined help the person who's going to be going onto this website and looking through my portfolio. It's going to show them that I took the time to understand what it takes to create a um, easy to use, easy to navigate through um, website. And I think that as this semester went on, I got more used to using all of the tools and understanding what I needed to do to create this website and make it easy to access. So, yeah, thank you.